Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. Today I teach two methods. First is a parallax method. With the help of this method, we can find out distance between Earth and Sun, otherwise distance between two stars. Second method for the measurement of the dimension of a planet. Friends, with the help of this method, we can find out diameter of the planet, otherwise height of the tree. But first of all, we understand what is parallax. Friends, one children have a one pencil and here O is a actual position, but he close his one eye and its new position is A. Look here. Here he say with the help of his left eye. So its reference point is a blue. Here blue is a reference point, but its position of pencil is a red here. But he show with the help of his right eye. So its pencil is move on left side, means when this children show the pencil with different eye, its position is different. Look in video. Here blue is a reference point and this are two different position of the pencil. Friends, here distance between two eye is called basis, and here angle is created, it is called parallax angle. Angle formed by two eye at the position of the pencil is called parallax angle, and the distance between the 2 points of the observation is called basis. With the help of this method, we can find out distance between two stars. Friends, look here. Here now we have two different observers are observe the planet. Friends, suppose this is the Earth. Here A and B both are observer and both are observe one planet. Here one planet P. Here distance between two observer, it is denoted by small b. Otherwise it is a diameter of the Earth. Here AP and BP are two observer direction and distance between them is denoted by capital D. Friends, here angle is theta. Theta is a parallax angle. Friends, according to definition of the angle, theta is equal to arc AB upon radius. Friends, here suppose arc AB and this is a D, capital D is a radius. So here value of arc AB is equal to, we can write down small b, and radius means distance between AP is equal to, we can write down capital D. Theta is equal to B upon D. Now we want to find out D. So D is equal to B upon theta. Suppose now we have value of theta and diameter of the Earth, both value are available. So we value of substitute in this formula and we calculate the value of capital D. Friends, our next method is measurement of the size of planet or a star. Friends, in parallax method, now we have two different observer at two different places. But in this method, now we need only for one observer. Suppose here one observer are available. With the help of the telescope, he find out angle of alpha. Friends, here alpha is a angular diameter. Here now we have one planet and its diameter it is denoted by small d. Here capital D is the distance between Earth and planet. Suppose now we want to find out small d. With the help of the definition of angle, alpha is equal to arc upon radius. Friends, here alpha is the angle and arc is equal to small d and radius is equal to, now we take capital D. Suppose now we want to find out diameter of planets. So small d is equal to, we can write down alpha into capital D. Friends, now we want to find out value of alpha with the help of the telescope, and capital D is also available. So value of alpha and D both are substitute and we can find out the value of small d. Here small d is the diameter of the planet. Friends, with the help of this method, we can also find out height of the tree. Suppose here one person, he saw the tree. Here alpha is a angular diameter and small d is the height of the tree. Here capital D is the distance between person and tree. Suppose here alpha is equal to small d upon capital D. Suppose now we have value of alpha and capital D both are available. So value of alpha and D are substitute and we get answer small d. Here small d is a height of the tree. Friends, in this picture you saw, now we want to find out diameter of the moon. Here moon. Here one observer, he has one telescope and with the help of this telescope he find out angular diameter is 1/2 and distance between earth and moon available. So he also find out diameter of the moon. Measurement of angle. Friends, here 1 degree is equal to 60 arc minute. It is denoted by 60 dash and 1 arc minute is equal to 60 arc second. It is also denoted by 60 double dash. Friends, this is the relation between degree, minute and second. It is very useful in example. Friends, in this video lecture we learn what is parallax, parallax method and method of measurement of dimension of planet or star.